One of the most important steps in any research study happens before data collection even begins, deciding how many participants are needed. This is known as sample size calculation, and it can have a major impact on the quality and reliability of your results. Imagine conducting a study with too few participants. Even if a real effect exists, the study may fail to detect it, leading to inaccurate conclusions. On the other hand, including far more participants than necessary can waste valuable time, effort, and resources. The goal is to find the right balance. Sample size calculation helps researchers determine the minimum number of participants required to answer a research question with confidence. Several factors influence this calculation. One of the most important is the expected effect size, which represents the magnitude of the difference or relationship the researcher expects to find. Larger effects generally require smaller samples, while smaller effects often need larger samples to be detected accurately. Another key factor is the level of significance, commonly set at 5%, which reflects the acceptable risk of concluding that a result exists when it actually does not. Researchers must also consider statistical power, often set at 80% or 90%, which indicates the probability of correctly identifying a genuine effect. In addition, the variability of the data and the study design can influence the final sample size requirement. Whether the research involves surveys, clinical studies, experiments, or observational research, each approach may require a different calculation method. A properly calculated sample size improves the credibility, accuracy, and scientific value of a study. It ensures that findings are meaningful, reproducible, and capable of supporting sound conclusions. Simply put, sample size calculation is not just a statistical formality, it is the foundation of high-quality research. Before collecting data, every researcher should ensure that the study includes enough participants to answer the research question effectively and confidently.